After that, tools. Eventually, the humans started using harder stones to make tools. They polished stones and sharpened the edges of the stones. They also added wood to the tools. The sickles for harvesting and the axes for cutting trees became harder and sharper. They attached wooden handles to the axes. Later, they started using metal in their tools. So, early humans started using harder stones to make tools. They polished stones and sharpened their edges. They also added wood and metal in their tools. So after that, there they have given some pictures of the tools which were made by early humans. So as the early humans started growing crops, they became farmers. They stopped roaming from one place to another in search of food, and now they had plenty of time to develop other skills. This led to the development of pottery. With the help of seeds and improved tools, the early humans started producing more food than they could eat. They felt the need to store this extra food, so they started making pots of clay, dried them in the sun and stored food in them. Later, they also learned to bake clay vessels to store the liquids. So the early humans learned to make pottery out of clay. They made it by making a hole into a ball of clay or by making a long snake with the clay and make it flexible to make pottery. These were then baked in fire. They also made potter's wheel, which helped them to make pots of various sizes and shapes. So, like this, they have learned to make pots, and after that, rafts. Rafts were made by early humans. When the early humans saw logs of wood floating in water, they realized that they could also cross rivers with the help of logs of wood. They tied the logs of wood together and made a raft. Soon they started using this raft to carry load across rivers. So as they settled near rivers, so they noticed that some woods floating on water. And this gave them idea for sailing in water. And they tied some logs together, making a raft that helped them to travel by water. And also, this helps them to carry their loads. Okay? So, here one picture is given. Identify the picture. So, I think you have understood this is the picture of rafts. And next question is, how was it useful to early humans? So it helps human to cross the river and also to carry the loads across the rivers. Okay, students, we have completed this chapter. So I will give you the exercises on your school app. Okay, take care. Bye.